Chapter 1, The Indian Constitution, Question Answers from Class 8, Subject Social Science, Book Social and Political Life 3. Question 1, Why does a democratic country need a constitution? Answer, a democratic country needs a constitution because it lays down the ideals and principles of the country. It defines how the government will be formed and function. It ensures that the power of leaders is limited and not misused. It protects the rights of minorities and prevents the domination of any one group. It helps maintain law, order, equality, and justice in the society. Question 2. Look at the wordings of the two documents given below. The first column is from the 1990 Nepal Constitution. The second column is from the more recent Constitution of Nepal. First column, 1990 Constitution of Nepal, Part 7, Executive. Article 35, Executive Power. The executive power of the Kingdom of Nepal shall be vested in His Majesty and the Council of Ministers. Second column, 2015 Constitution of Nepal, Part 7, Federal Executive. Article 75, Executive Power. The executive power of Nepal shall, pursuant to this constitution and law, be vested in the Council of Ministers. What is the difference in who exercises executive power in the above two constitutions of Nepal? Answer. In the 1990 Constitution of Nepal, the executive power was vested in His Majesty the King and his Council of Ministers, meaning the King had the final authority. In the 2015 Constitution of Nepal, the executive power is vested in the Council of Ministers, meaning the power now rests with elective representatives, not the king. This shows a shift from monarchy to a democratic form of governance. Question 3. What would happen if there were no restrictions on the power of elected representatives? Answer. If there were no restrictions on the power of elected representatives, they might misuse their authority for personal gain. They could make unfair or unjust laws. The right of common people and minorities might be violated. It could lead to dictatorship or corruption. Hence, a constitution is necessary to set limits and ensure accountability. Question 4. In each of the following situations, identify the minority. Write one reason why you think it is important to respect the views of the minority in each of these situations. A. In a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are male. Minority, female teachers. Reason. Even though they are fewer in number, their opinions and contributions are equally important in a school environment. B. In a city, 5% of the population are Buddhist. Minority, Buddhist. Reason. Respecting religious minorities is essential to maintain religious harmony and uphold the secular nature of the country. C. In a factory mess for all employees, 80% are vegetarians. Minority non-vegetarians. Reason. Everyone should have the freedom to choose their food preferences. Respect ensures peaceful coexistence. D. In a class of 50 students, 40 belong to more well-off families. Minority, students from less well-off families. Reason. Their needs and concerns should also be addressed so that everyone gets equal opportunity and support. Question 5. The column on the left lists some of the key features of the Indian Constitution. In the other column, write two sentences in your own words on why you think this feature is important. Answer. Key feature. First, federalism. Significance. It allows the division of powers between the central and state governments. This helps in better governance and inclusion of local interest. Second, separation of powers. Significance. It prevents misuse of power by dividing it among three branches: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Each branch acts as a check on the others. Third, fundamental rights. Significance. These rights protect citizens from injustice and discrimination. They ensure freedom, equality, and dignity for all. Fourth, parliamentary government. Significance. People elect their representatives who are accountable to them. It promotes democracy by involving citizens in the decision making process. Question 6. Write down the names of the Indian states which shares borders with the following neighbouring nations. Answer A. Bangladesh, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. So friend, here is Bangladesh and the states which share the borders are these. B. Bhutan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. So friends, here is Bhutan, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal. C. Nepal. Here is Nepal, Uttarakhand, here, Uttar Pradesh, here, Bihar, here, West Bengal, here, and Sikkim, here. So friends, you can note them down. And friends, we have completed all these question answers from chapter 1, the Indian Constitution. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. You can support me with channel membership and super thanks. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.